after 7 years, here we are in our wedding day. Our 7th anniversary is also our wedding day. Our one day is now our day one. Kapag tinatanong nila ako kung kinakabahan ako, I always answer no. Kasi ikaw ang pakakasalan ko.
Banayad whiskey.
Yun mismo.
Or maybe spa.
Uy, spa na! Thank you!
Kung dati pinalitan ko yung pangalan ko from dating Vince na ginagamit ko, ginawa kong Paul just to conform with your pangalan na Pauline. So kung dati, ako yung nagpalit nung pangalan for you, ngayon naman, papalitan kay apelido.
Sabihin ko sa inyo, meron pa kayong mga self-preserved attributes. But now, you will be living together. There is no way out.
You know that like today, araw-araw kitang gustong makitang masaya. Kasi masayang-masaya ako na I will be getting married soon. I love you, Pao. So, tumipinilla. Let's go!
Talaga makapaghintay yun eh. Sabi ko, reactor eh.
With this gift, I hope that we capture more moments and memories together. I love you and again, happy 7th anniversary, my mahal.
Yay!
Mahal, you know how our relationship started. Unlike other relationships, hindi kita gusto agad. Not because you were unlikable, but because I was not ready at that time. But God is good, and God showed me what a good person you are. I saw how responsible you are, how good you are to me and my family, how you treated everyone around. I am excited to walk down the aisle with you, your excited bride, Pao Marquina, soon to be Penilla. I won't make promises I can't keep, but let me make a vow on this one. Our marriage will be anchored on love, trust, commitment, and faith.